Hello data points. Today we are discuss about how to make the resume. In this video we are discussing about only the concept, not making the fully resume in front of you. First go to the Play Store and download the Canva. After that came to the Canva and I am say that in this video we are discussing about the concept and how to make the resume. Okay, so first of all, why I am making this video? Thanks to our college, I am now the placement coordinator. And okay, this is clear to you. Then what was the concept? First, our mind is fully developed. In this video I am providing with the dot, means some concept, and you need to be hungry so that you can build your resume by yourself. Okay, this video we are discussing about how part, not what part, means what to include, what not to include. Okay, then what we cover in this video, we are covering about this topic one by one sequentially. Okay, first, auto align. If you see, these letters are not auto align. If you clicking on this, then if you see the Canva is well educated, it show the pink line, so you can arrange it properly. Here you are saying about the distance 0.4. okay, yes. Then the adding the text. How to add the text? First of all, here you are seeing the text element. Click the text, add this of this, then double click, edit, yes. Then here is the formatting, means size and shape. Here you can change the size, the color, and the format. This is the shape. If you are stretching this border, then you can see the text. Let's example, if it's I am filling my name, then if the box is small, then the content is cropped. Okay, you can align in this way. Then format, you understood by this mean this looks good. Okay, shape and sizes you also understood. And if the element is too close, then you can check the space arrangement of this from the position. Then the position is aligned, it's something similar to this. Okay, I think you understood the first part, and some advanced part is letter spacing, line spacing. Okay, gradually you are using the Canva app, you understood how can you operate. In this video we are covering only the concept. Okay, if you are doing in 2 finger, then you can see all the pages here. This is the fourth path. Okay, how to add a line? It is simple. Click to the element, whatever you need you can search here. Here you are showing suggestion line, we are choosing the normal line. You are see how I can edit this line. Okay, then the style, go to the style button, click the fill, stroke width, you understood by this. Okay, then the round point, here you can see the round edges. Here is the box edges, round edges. Okay, then okay, round in the shape, color as well, the line at the straight line, curved line, it looks understood. How can you play around it? And if you need any end points, it's look like this, and the line start, it's look like this. Okay, then the shape also, you can click the element button. Then you need what you need home icon. Okay, home icon, then simply click this, then resize it. Okay, this is the shape and the photo. uh, this is the frame and this is the photo. Okay, first how can bring the photo? Click the element, go to the down. Here is also showing the some frames. Clear all, go to the down. Here is the frame, click this, then bring the photo from the here gallery button or the upload button. Okay, then after you bring the photo, you can drag and drop here. Okay, how here is the undo and redo button, you can click upon this. This is the duplicate button, duplicate it, drag and drop, drag and drop. Okay, if you need to resize this, double click upon this, then you can resize the image also. Okay, done, look like this. Okay, now we are discussing about the link, how to link. First of all, copy this content. Okay, click upon the text, three dot, delete message, then the copy the text, copy, hold the link, LinkedIn, double click, here you show the link icon, click the link and paste it here. It show anything wrong, we need to copy this text, so select all, copy, done. Again we resize this text. Okay, then click the LinkedIn, double click, link icon, paste the link. Okay, then done. It shows and link added, it means the link will be added. Okay, then the GitHub as well, click the double click upon this, select the text and copy it, double click on the GitHub, then paste it. Simple, back, link added. And the some setting, how to do that? Click upon three dots, just a minute, here is the three dots, then the setting, then you see the show margin. It provides the idea how your frames look like, so make sure it on. And yes, this is all about this video, and tell me if you have any doubt. And how to download it? Simple, click upon this, download. Here is the preview view link. If you need to share someone how the its look, it can create from here. Download. If you need to print out, then best PDF print out, PDF standard, and you understood everything. Okay, this is for today's video. Thank you. Jai Hind.